guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a grocery haul, but I did it a little bit differently, kind of. I mean, it's gonna be a traditional grocery haul. I just thought I would throw in, I did a little bit, like the bare minimum of a meal plan. So it's not even like a thought out meal plan, it's just things. I recently went through the pantry and there's some things I need to use up before it expires, and just like other things that I was like, oh yeah, I wanna make that. So I have a few recipes that I wanna make this week. Some of the things I already had all the ingredients for, so that's not even in this video, but some of the things I didn't have the ingredients for. So I made a little list before I went to the store. It's not a huge haul, just kind of like, we've been doing these like pickup trips to just hold us over. So I mean, it's a decent size haul, but it's nothing huge. But before we get into that, I thought I would show you my little meal plan, meal prep list, and then I can link whatever recipes down below if it's like an article, or who says article, like a website, blog post, or one of my recipes I've made before that I can link the video. So yeah, let's take a look at my meal plan prep list. So I just used my little iPad and my iPad pencil. Isn't that fun? Okay, now I gotta erase that. Like I said, it's really informal. I wanted to write down what I needed. So for my buffalo turkey meatloaf, which is an well, I learned it from Amanda Seipert. I don't know where she got it from. I have a video on it. I can link it up in the corner. But it's basically just like buffalo turkey meatloaf cups it has like oatmeal in it, ground turkey, onions and celery, which I needed, so I had to buy those. So I'm gonna make that tonight, and then it's also kind of like a meal prep because I freeze the rest of it, and it's super easy to pull out and just put in the oven, so I love that. I was cleaning out the pantry, and I noticed that I had a tomato soup that was going to expire, I think, next month. So, and it's the soup I used to make my tortellini sausage soup, which I don't remember where I got the, oh, I got it off Taylor Cole on Instagram, but I also have a video on it. I will link it up in the corner. That might be the same video, I'm not positive, but I needed the tortellini and the sausage, which you'll see in a minute. We've been watching a lot of Everyday Italian on the Food Network app. That's Giada De Laurentiis's first show. She has several shows, and she made a chicken orzo frittata, and we needed eggs for that. I have everything else, but I am excited to try that, and I can try and find the recipe and link it down below. And then we have been loving smoothies lately, so I got some spinach, and I also want to make my chicken gnocchi soup at some point and use the rest of that spinach, so I wanted some of that. So yeah, there's my little list, and now we'll get to the haul. People get upset when you're not in grocery hauls. Yeah. Ew. So here's a quick overview. Like I said, I've done much bigger. It's not small, but it's not that big. So we have our produce here. Like I said, I got spinach. I got some more Champs-Élysées salad, because that's our favorite. And I also wanted wild arugula. I've been making these, like, also, yes, my nails are cheetah print. Could you die? Like, look at those. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, anyway. I think in my last What I Eat in a Day video, I showed you my orecchiette bowls that have, like, arugula in them. Another Giada recipe. I love Giada's recipes because they're very, like, easy but flavorful, and they're, like, recipes I actually want to make. So I needed more arugula for that, and just for life. Then I wanted some carrots. We started buying whole carrots because we actually made a HelloFresh recipe once that had like cooked carrots, and I've never liked cooked carrots, but the way they taught us how to do it, they were delicious. So we buy these to either cook or to shred up into salads or soups or whatever, so we just buy the whole carrots now. I needed some more celery for just random salads throughout the week, but mostly for my turkey meatloaf I'm making tonight. Oh.
Do you want this in your empties?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got bananas, an orange. Giada zests a lot of oranges, so I was like, ooh, I want to try that in something. Got a couple limes, some lemons. I couldn't find the sweet potato, so I got a Japanese purple sweet potato, so I don't know what that's all about.
One of those, I didn't love it as much.
Oh. Avocados. We got some thyme. Got some strawberries. Some mushrooms, we put those in everything. Some diced onions for a lot of things, but mostly for the meatloaf. This stuff is so good if you haven't tried it, and I've been craving it. The green goddess salad dressing. We had a salad in Hawaii that had green goddess dressing, and this tastes just like it. The only bad thing about this dressing is it's like hella fresh, so it does not have much of a shelf life, so you have to use it quick, but that being said, it's really good ingredients. Got 2 cans of special cookies, cause duh. When I was cleaning out the pantry, I looked at the dates on our baking soda and baking powder, and they were both expired, so I picked those up. We are completely out of toaster waffles, and I had a dream about toaster waffles last night and was sad to wake up to no toaster waffles, so I got them. A refill of our liquid dish soap. This stuff is so good. I talked about this in my random favorites, which I can link up in the corner, but I'm assuming it's gonna like go away with Valentine's Day, so I picked up another one. It's the Raspberry Rose chocolate bar. And look how beautiful it is. The detail is so nice. It tastes so good. Like, you can really taste the raspberry. And I'm just obsessed with that. And then we also are obsessed with the vegetable nests, and we had some today. And so I didn't want to run out, so I got another thing. I got some eggs, and thinking back, I should have got 2 things of eggs because I eat eggs almost every morning, and so does Bradley, but I need 6 for that frittata I'm gonna meal prep, so that was a mistake. But I mean, we go to Trader Joe's like every other day, it'll be fine. Our favorite orange juice, the organic orange juice. This is the one you have to get. It's a little bit pricier than the other ones, but I promise you it's worth it. This was fun and new. This is the vegan chickenless seasoning salt. So it's supposed to like mimic the taste of chicken. It's got sea salt, onion powder, spices, that's not helpful, turmeric, and garlic powder. So I'm excited to try this. And I just love all of their seasonings, so whenever there's a new one, I want to try it. And I liked the color of that too. I bought the tortellini with the pesto filling for that tortellini and sausage soup. So here's the sausage. The stuff is so good, the sun-dried tomato and chicken sausage. And I should have said I'm on Weight Watchers, so a lot of these, I mean, all the recipes are very Weight Watchers friendly. And I believe that this soup is like 7 points per serving, and it's a really nice hearty soup, and it's so good, and I love these. So there's that. We also recently got some new like containers in our pantry for pastas. So we've been bulking up on the pasta because we just want to have a lot of pasta on hand. So we got some rigatoni and some spaghetti. And then I got Bradley some everything bagels. I make my own bagels for myself, but he likes these. And then I got 3 bunches of the daffodils. These are $1.50. And they like ship them to them dry, but once you put them in water, they open up, and they're so beautiful, and they're only $1.50. And I bought one last time, which is still here, it's dead. They don't look so good now, but I was missing them and I was regretting only buying one. So yeah, I got some of those. So yeah, guys, that is it for my haul. I gotta go put all this away. I feel like I'm never in focus on this camera anymore. It's so sad. But yeah, if you guys want more Trader Joe's hauls, I can link my playlist up in the corner. And if you liked this style video just to see like the recipes I'm gonna be eating or what I'm planning on eating, let me know, we can do more of them. But yeah, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. Bye.